In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone in the updated version of Microsoft Teams. Let's launch the Microsoft Teams application. In the left side menu, click on Chat. Suppose this is the person I want to block in Teams. Blocking someone in Microsoft Teams may be necessary to maintain a productive and respectful working environment. If a user is being disruptive, sending inappropriate or unwanted messages, or violating professional boundaries, blocking them helps prevent further communication and minimizes distractions. It also enhances personal security and privacy, especially in large organizations or collaborative environments where not all participants are familiar with one another. Now, if you have an older version of Teams, you can find the blocking option by clicking on this three-dot menu. But as you can see here, in the new version of Teams, there is no option to block someone. In the new version, if you want to block someone, click on the profile icon of that person. On the profile page, click on the three-dot icon. Now, click on Block Contact. In the pop-up, click on Block. Here you can see that this account is now blocked. If you want to unblock this account, you can simply press Unblock here. But if you lost this page, you need to unblock the account using the Settings menu. In the top right menu, click on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. On the left side Settings menu, go to the People tab. In the People tab, click on Manage Blocked Users. Now you can either unblock or delete your blocked contact. Following these steps, you can block someone in Microsoft Teams easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.